Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about what is the role of operation management. So we already discussed about why we are studying operation management and also what is the purpose we are studying operation management, and also we discussed about many things related to operation management. So what is the role of operation management? So operation management transforms into input to output. I already said if you are going to manufacture any product starting from raw material to finished product. So the same like that supply chain management. So what do you mean by supply chain management? It will be converted to that manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, retailer to consumer. So in that operation management, what is the role means? So input to output. Inputs are people, material, and money. Outputs are goods and services. So if you see that transformation process, so in every sector they are having some transformation process, and also we are very important customer feedback. So if we take it as an input, human resource, facilities and process, technologies and materials, it will be transformed into what is it output? It's a goods and services. So we will see one by one. If you take it as a hospital, inputs, processing, output. So input, who are all input? We already said that human resources. So doctors, nurses, hospital, equipment like that, medical supplies, equipment, laboratories. And you are going to process every day, you are going to examine the patient. So examination, surgery, monitoring, medication, therapy. So everything it will be converted into output. What is the output of every hospital? Healthy patients. That's the main aim of every hospital. It related to healthcare sector. So in this OM's, operation management transformation role, to add value, increase product value at each stage. Value added is the net increase between output product value and input material value. Provide an efficient transformation. Efficiency means performing activities well for least possible cost. So one more important in that operation management, the cost cutting is very, very important. The cost will be reducing the quality of the product. It's not compromised. So the cost will be reduced and product will be effective and quality. So examples of various operations. Goods producing, if you take as agriculture, farming, mining, construction, manufacturing, power generation, storage or transportation, warehousing, trucking, mail service, moving, taxis, buses, hotels, airlines, and exchange, if you take it as a retail, wholesale, and also banking, renting, leasing, library, loans, entertainment, films, radio and television, concerts, and also recording. Then communication, newspaper, radio and television, newscast, telephone, satellites. Types of transformation process. So everything we are discussed about the transformation process. So it's related to physical, manufacturing, locational, transportation, exchange, retailing, storage, warehousing, physiological, healthcare, informational, telecommunications, psychological, entertainment. So these are the types of transformation processes. So next we are going to discuss historical evaluation of operation management. It means some of the terminologies and also the historical evaluation is related to the operation management. What are the important event in operations management? We will see in 1776 to 1880 early concept. So everyone they are three types of focus are there: cost focus, quality focus, and customization focus. So early concept 1776 to 1880, labor specialization by Smith and Babbage, standardized reports like Whitney, and the scientific management era 1880 to 1910, Gantt chart, motion and time studies, Gilbert, and process analysis Taylor, and queuing theory by Erlang. These are all the things related to the cost focus. And also mass production era 1910 to 1980, moving assembly line, Ford or Sorensen, statistical sampling by Schwartz, economic one of the quality guru, and economic order, quantity, Harris, linear programming, that's Danzig, that is PERT and CPM, project evaluation review technique and critical path method, Duopont, and material requirements planning. So these are the things related to historical cost focus. Then quality focus, lean production era, lean manufacturing. So very important in that operation management. So lean production era 1980 to 1995, like just in time, computer aided design, EDA, electronic data interchange, total quality TQM, total quality management, then Baldrige Award, empowerment, Kanban. So these are the related to quality focus. Last one, very important, customization focus. So every customer, they need the product customized manner. So mass customization era 1995 to 2005, globalization, internet, enterprise resource planning, ERP, learning organization, international quality standards, finite scheduling, supply chain management, agile manufacturing. So these are the important events, historical events related to the operation management. So this is the flow of business, that is business information flow. There are six types of departments are there. They are connecting to each department: marketing, information system, finance, accounting, engineering, and human resource. So every department they have to under the control of operation management. So marketing, you can see the current operating capabilities, customer demand, customer feedback, need for new products. So inventory level, stock level, output rate, and capacities. Information system, information needs and technological capabilities. Finance, capital investment plan, because everyone know about the capital. Without capital, we can't do any business. So capital investment plan, financial measures, capital requirement, budgets, stockholder requirements. And also we have seen that accounting, billing information, process improvement, and current performance measures. Then if you take it as engineering, production area, operation capabilities, product specifications, design requirement, and technological trade-off. And human resource, labor skills available, labor requirement, is nothing but manpower planning, then labor cost. Thank you.